I'm coming to you today from the campground. If you watched my last video, Where's My Van, then you know I was thinking I would get my van back on Friday. Well, that didn't happen. We ran into a little glitch, so apparently it needs new tie rods now. When I left the shop, it started vibrating pretty good. So I turned around and took it right back. And plus there was a couple of little tweaks that I wanted to do, but I gotta tell you, overall, I am so happy with how that van turned out. I was sitting around this morning feeling just a little bit sad. I thought I would get my van back on Friday and I'd be spending the weekend just putting everything back inside and, beginning to plan my adventures. And so I asked myself, what can I do to make myself feel better? And it's like I have lots of things to choose from. I love music. That always makes me feel better. I can always call a friend on the phone and, that makes me feel better. I can dance. I love dancing, so that's fun. So I'm asking you that question. What do you do to make yourself feel better when you're feeling a little down? Leave me a comment below and let me know. Today I was in the laundry room doing laundry and I noticed the Beaver onesie on the bathroom shelf. So this is the Beaver onesie that we keep at the Blissful Beaver Airbnb instead of robes. So can any of you guess what is gonna happen next? I'm feeling better already. If you're enjoying my videos, please remember to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notifications so you'll be sure and not miss a video if that's something that you find interesting.